What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub. We're doing this for Progressive. So this will probably go to them and then upload to YouTube because they don't believe that I got this stuff in the car. So we're going to show them. Looks like we got some rusted out battery terminals on the AGM battery. My high output alternator would be over there somewhere. Unfortunately, we're not able to access it. Had LEDs in the front end here. I see the zip ties for them. Pretty sure they're in the in the rear of the car, because that's where the bumper is at. It's funny, on the windshield says done. I totally agree, and I'm totally done with this nonsense on this plane. But since they believe the stuff in the car is still good, let's start her up and see what happens. Not a damn thing. Screen's not coming on. It's been raining out here. I can't really move around this car. Even the doggone bass knob went through hell with this nonsense. This rusted out right there, so it's probably, I'm pretty sure there's been rain in this car. I bought the multimeter out here to test everything, even though I know as well as y'all know this stuff is done. And then they're talking about the speakers aren't in it. I don't know what way this. I'm not facing the sun. Well, I'm facing the sun, but the car was going away from the sun. I could prove that the speakers are in the doors. Audio control piece is right there. Horns are back there. Oh, looks like I got some off in there. I'm gonna get that out. Oh, I'm gonna get cut. Taking this home. TVs are right there. It's got a scratch on it, and that's going to be from them putting the bumper in there. Still got the DS18 horns. And like I said, unfortunately, I'm going into the sun, so you're probably not going to be able to see most of this stuff here. But you can definitely see all of that. And where are you at? Limitless lithium battery is back there. Let's see, what's the way to do this? So hopefully y'all can see those wires coming to the back. The limitless lithium is still in there. I'm trying to see if I can get in here without getting cut. Maybe I can pull some of this stuff out. No, it's too far back there. Alright, well, if you're into car audio, there's RCA distribution. Limitless lithium is still in there. The crescendo amps are still in there. Here's a piece of a RCA. I had the 8000 series RCAs in here. They want to act like all this stuff ain't in the car. And if it's not in the car, then who the hell took it out of the car would be the question for me. Ah, shit, I knew that was going to happen. I really don't have a way to get... I can't get in my trunk due to the fact that I can't start the vehicle. More wires that they're talking about. They don't see where I'm coming up with this stuff. And I'm coming back with I don't see how y'all are not coming up with this stuff. So this is the custom headlights that I bought. And y'all know, I've done videos and all this stuff. So the stuff, then I told them to just subscribe to the YouTube channel. That is, I think that is the Crescendo S2 amp. Let me see if I can. Okay. All right, now we're going. So there's the wires. Crescendo S2 amp, Crescendo S1 amp, limitless lithium, along with the battery terminals. Wires coming in.